So cross-hatching is important for a couple of reasons. Firstly, when incorporated with spiral grooving, it can really enhance the spread of lubrication through a bush. The more even and the more well distributed the grease is throughout a bush, the better the average, say, grease per square millimetre. You are going to get better lubrication and extended life on both the bush and the pin. The secondary reason that cross-hatching is so important is that it can save a pin and bush arrangement if there's any disruption to the grease provision to that area of the machine. So grease line gets broken or pinched or something else happens, you run out of grease in that line, the improved amount of lubrication getting to the whole system and the retention that the cross-hatching provides can actually mean that you can survive through till maybe an event where there's an end of shift, or the person observes that there's no grease getting to a certain line and there will be no damage to the pin and bush. So it can save the day on those kind of really important pieces of equipment.